Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I wanted to share with you something that we talked about today in our Zoom, and just in case you need a refresher or you weren't able to make it to the Zoom today, here's what you are going to be doing in Seesaw today. So we talked about on Tuesday when we started reading and writing about brainstorming different ideas for our passion project. And again, a passion project is you're researching something that you really love, that's really important to you, something that really matters to you. So we're going to focus today on taking those ideas that you put in that brain graphic organizer on Seesaw and organizing those ideas into mountain and pebble ideas. So when we're looking at mountain and pebble ideas, the mountain ideas over here are general topics or ideas. A pebble idea is a specific part of a mountain idea, but you're breaking it down into an experience you might have had, a person, a place, or a time, something that has to do with that mountain idea that's a little bit more specific. So, for example, the one that we talked about in class today was my mountain idea is oceans. And when I'm talking about oceans, you guys know that I love ocean animals and ocean creatures. So I'm going to come over here, and some of my pebble ideas are going to be whales, sharks, pollution. So I know it's really important to take care of the pollution in the oceans. Those are all pebble ideas that have something to do with the ocean. So do you guys understand that you're taking your mountain idea and breaking them down into smaller pebble ideas? Another example I might want to use is, you guys know I love superheroes. But it's going to be a lot of information if I do an entire passion project on all of the superheroes. So I'm going to go ahead and come over here and break that down into some of my favorite superheroes. So my favorite superhero is Captain America. I know some people really like Iron Man. I really like the Hulk. So that's how I'm taking an idea that's a mountain, that's a big overarching topic, and turning it into a pebble. You guys might have ideas that are already pebble ideas. For example, I know some people were talking about studying dragons. Like that can be a pebble idea. You can also move dragons over here into mountains. And you can talk specifically about where did they come from? Like, where did someone first get an idea of dragons? What different types of dragons are there? I don't know that specifically, so I couldn't make that into a pebble topic, but some of you can. You guys were also talking about cooking. Some people love talking about cooking, and you could break that down into different, what do you cook for breakfast? What do you cook for lunch and dinner? And if you wanted to go even further, you could go down here and say, you could talk about your mountain topic could be breakfast foods. And then break it down into eggs, pancakes, waffles. Did you guys ever see Shrek where he says, in the morning, I'm making waffles? Trying to make this a little funny for you guys too, but that's how you're breaking it down. And you guys, like I said, might know that some of your mountain topics are already pebbles. That's fine. And if you are studying this and you realize that you have come up with more mountain topics that you would like to share and more pebble ideas than what you wrote in your original brainstorming document, that's okay too. So you're going to see this again in Seesaw, just so you know, and your mountain ideas, your big ideas are going over here. And when you can make them smaller and break them down into something smaller, you're going to make pebble ideas. please, please, please make sure that this is a passion project that is something that you like to learn about or you want to know more about. It doesn't have to be focused around school. That's why we're doing dragons and cooking. It can be just things you like to do. But we want it to be something that you are excited to learn about so that you can have something that you're looking forward to researching. Thanks for listening. Bye.